a shampoo and wash your head and shoulder. But the look bold enough to fold you, yo, I told ya. Afraid of what I made and play no plus a funky fit, so say it pleasure shit. But I'm using you to argue it. Niggas from the new town, Ill-town, feel now. Niggas every whistle was still with it. All that way to peace out here, the motherfucker feed into. Quick to what you think it costs some TP. I live it out for hip-hop, this is hip-hop of the day. I get props to hip-hop, to hip-hop.
Somebody say hey, say ho, say hey ho, say hey ho, louder, say hey, say ho, say hey you ho, say hey you ho. And if we didn't tell you once, we gonna tell them again.
Hold on. You heard a lot about a brother gaining more ground, being low down. I do the showdown with any little hoe round.
No!
I wanna know you believe it. Me and funny reasons, even when I'm sleeping, you think I'm cheating. You said I know you Mr. OPP, man. Yo, PP, man. I'll only see me, man. You should've knew when I ain't hit it and stepped that I was with it a bit, not to consider the rap. Hey, I did your partner cause he's out of something, cause I'm money by nature. You put your heart in your corner, my partner, this is a corner. You try to act like something really big is missing. Even though money's graffiti written on your kid. I love like women on ways and bitches making the way. That's all the family who play hip-hop.
Hey, say what? Say what? If there's a DJ in the house, make noise. DJ.
Hey.
DJ.
Hey.
Say what?
Hey. Everybody say DJs. Say DJs. Thank you. Thank you. All my DJs. DJs. If ain't nobody tell y'all, let y'all know. All my DJs are the craziest.
Hold up, hold up. Hey, yo, y'all, come here, man. This is a new group called LS1. They're the reason why Naughty by Nature is here. They have a brand new single. What is it called, homeboy?
We call it as a shower song, baby. Shower song. Check it out.
So y'all listen out for that shower song record. Please support it. Please support the new Naughty record. Can you drop that new one again?
To all my DJs, all our family been holding us down. We love y'all. Naughty by
This is
Nature
the
style,
brand new
baby.
Naughty by Nature single, y'all. We're coming on some club shit, y'all.